Does the SUD Life Saral pension plan really guarantee peace of mind after retirement, or does it just offer the bare minimum? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual immediate annuity plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get life annuity with full return of purchase price. There are no medical tests required for entry, and there is a loan facility available against this policy. And you have the flexibility to choose from two annuity options. Surrender benefit offered on the diagnosis of 20 specified critical illnesses as well. And there are benefits like death benefit and maturity benefit and survival benefit, which will differ based on the plan options you have opted for. And there are advantages like one-time premium and simple investment process and assured pension payouts for life. However, there are disadvantages like no provision for an inflation adjusted pension. Policy surrender is allowed only under specific conditions, and the corpus remains locked, offering no flexibility after purchase. So, annuity income is also fully taxable. So, you need to consider all these drawbacks before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about it, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure to help us take a more informed decision. But if you do want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. So here, for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 60-year-old male invests 5 lakhs under option 1, life annuity with 100% return of purchase price. So he receives an annual annuity of 33,784 rupees. At the age of 85, assuming the life expectancy, the nominee gets back the purchase price of 5 lakhs. So based on these cash flows, the IRR works out to be 6.64% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At first glance, the return may seem attractive for a senior citizen. However, there are notable limitations like liquidity constraints, because once purchased, the funds remain locked. Surrender is permitted only under specific conditions such as the diagnosis of critical illness. The corpus cannot be redirected to other goals or reinvested in better opportunities if interest rate rise. The annual annuity amount also does not increase over time, with living costs rising every year. So this fixed income may fall short of maintaining one's lifestyle in retirement. So while this policy provides stability with a predictable return, it fails to address two critical aspects of retirement planning like liquidity and inflation adjusted income. Now that we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us now take a look at other investments in this comparative analysis. So first, we are going to take a look at other fixed income investments. If you take a look at bank fixed deposits, FDs are safe and predictable, offering you fixed interest payouts over a chosen tenure where you can expect returns of 6 to 7% annually. And senior citizen savings schemes, SCSS, is a government-backed option tailored for senior citizens, providing attractive interest rate with quarterly payouts with expected return of 8.20% annually. And RBI floating rate bonds are government issued bonds with interest rate linked to the NSC National Savings Certificate rate, ensuring biannual income, and you can expect an annual return currently of 8.05%. So these instruments provide steady cash flow similar to the SUD policy, but with better liquidity and generally higher returns. However, they still do not address a critical factor, which is inflation adjusted income. Inflation steadily erodes the purchasing power of money. Without an income that grows over time, retirees may struggle to sustain their lifestyle or cover unexpected expenses. To address this, let's consider an inflation adjusted strategy using the same figures from the SUD life policies benefit illustration. So here we are going to take a look at inflation adjusted income strategy. So we are going to use the same figures from the policy brochure with a retirement corpus of 5 lakhs and an initial annual withdrawal of 33,784 rupees. So the strategy is worked out to demonstrate potential outcomes. So let us here assume that 60% of 5 lakhs, that is 3 lakhs, is invested in equity for wealth creation, while the remaining 2 lakhs is allocated to debt instruments for regular needs. So the equity investment is assumed to generate a return of 12% and the debt instrument is assumed to generate yields of 6%. So annual withdrawal increases by 6% every 5 years to keep up with inflation. Every 5 years the debt portion is replenished by transferring from equity. Final equity to debt transfer takes place at age 71. While the debt portion covers immediate and regular needs, the equity portion combats inflation and sustains lifestyle. Rebalancing maintains discipline and ensures corpus longevity. So the key benefits of this strategy are: you get regular cash flow throughout retirement, inflation adjusted income to preserve lifestyle, and also sustainable corpus that can last beyond your lifetime. So these benefits are missing in a standard pension plan. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SUD Life Saral pension plan worth it or not? So this is a standard annuity product where you pay a one-time purchase price and start receiving annuity payouts immediately. It is positioned as a simple, hassle-free retirement option offering a steady income stream for life. The plan has just two straightforward choices: single life annuity and joint life annuity. However, a closer look at the features reveals some major limitations. No liquidity. Once purchased, the corpus is locked, and no inflation adjustment as well. The annuity amount remains fixed while expenses keep rising. So these drawbacks can significantly reduce the value of the plan, and it also has a high agent commission. For this reason, this policy may not be an ideal addition to your retirement portfolio. A more effective strategy would be to include equity allocation in your retirement portfolio. Equity can help counter inflation and protect your lifestyle over the long-term period. By diversifying across asset classes, you can strike a balance between safety, growth, and liquidity, ensuring that your retirement funds withstand different risks.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.